Hey there, SnowDrift.
Jesus, man. How'd you get in my house?
Do you feel like you are lacking when cornering on your motorcycle?
I mean, not really. I think I'm actually okay at it.
Well, worry no more with Techspec tank grips.
What the hell, man?
Simply pull off the adhesive backing partway, adhere to the desired portion of your tank, and slowly pull off the adhesive backing following the contour of your tank. It's that simple. And now you have confidence in your cornering with Techspec tank grips.
Hey, you know what? That's actually pretty cool. I really like that, man. So, I just get to keep these for free?
No! We used your debit card!
Oh, what the f-
Techspec tank grips, available at some online retailers near you.